Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna do a updo for you with my natural hair. And then I got this from AliExpress. I will leave the name in the description box below. So I'm gonna use one pack and I have few little pieces. So I'm gonna use that after I put 2 twists in the back, and then I'm gonna catch it on top. Now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this Eco Styling Gel. It has black castor oil in it, lots of vitamins and mineral. Yes, and I have my olive oil edge control. I have some spritz Dove. I have some L'Oreal mousse, and I have my got to be glue. Snatch the edges in place, and I'm gonna moisturize my hair with some natural 7 oil. And I'm gonna be using one brush, one little toothbrush. You can use a small brush if you like, a tail comb, and I'm gonna use this crochet needle right here. So let's get the show on the road. Yes. So this is how my hair is looking. Now I'm gonna go in with my oil. As you can see, I part my hair down the back, and I'm gonna add some beeswax just to hold it in place. And I went ahead and I did the other side for you guys. And now I'm gonna add some gel and some edge control. Now my peeps, what I'm gonna do the inside cornrow for you. Very quick and easy. All you have to do, just plait your hair, but plait it on the inside. And then I'm just gonna brush it in, and that's it. And we're gonna do the same step what we use in the back. I'm just making some baby hair at the front just to make it look popping a little bit. I'm just adding some mousse to lay my flyaway hair down, and then I'm gonna go in with my headband, and then I'm gonna band my hair, and I'm gonna leave it to dry for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with my extension, and I'm gonna crochet it on my hair.
So I went ahead and I put the crochet needle under my hair, and then I draw the extension through my hair, and then I knot it twice. And you want to continue to repeat this process until you get the desired look or the amount you want to add to your hair. So I think this is full enough now, and I'm adding the last one, and then I'm moving on to the next step.
This is it so far. What I'm gonna go in to do now, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna separate some of the curls. And you just want to wheel back the curls in place, just like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some pins at the side. You can leave it like that if you want. However, I'm gonna go on in and I'm gonna cut it a little bit. So just like that, guys, you want to go on in and cut it just like how you like. Wow. Yes.
So now my hair is all dry, and I went ahead and I add some hairpin just to push the hair towards my face.
So my peeps, this is the final look. As I said, you can cut it however you want. I want a little bit of height, so I put some pin in it and I cut it towards the front. I did some smoky eyes with some yellow and green to match my Jamaican t-shirt. Yes, I'm popping. You can do it to the side like that, or you can do it to either side. So this is the final look. I hope you like it. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed.